Hi everyone, this week we're going to start the diet analysis project. Begin by reading all of the instructions on the diet analysis instructions page as I've shown here. Read through each step and do be sure to watch the posted videos for specific Diet and Wellness Plus instructions. As I've listed on the steps, Steps 1 and 2 are to go ahead and track your diet and create your personal profile. So here you're going to keep track of your diet for 3 days, include all foods and beverages consumed, write restaurant names, specific details such as sugar-free or low-fat. Do not include dietary supplements like vitamins and minerals, but do include protein shakes, which are still considered dietary supplements, but they will contribute more macronutrients, calories, and such, and we want to account for those on your diet analysis assignment. Creating your personal profile is the next step, and please do again watch that video posted. And the third step is to enter your dietary intake into the Diet and Wellness Plus software. So I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second here. Lastly, you will create reports analyzing your dietary intake, and reports will be utilized in subsequent weeks to complete diet analysis assignments. So as we move on to the next page in this week's module, you will see a link that will take you into the profile creation aspect of Diet and Wellness Plus. So go ahead and click on that. Keep in mind that my screen will look a bit different than yours. I'm using the sort of instructor's view of the screen, and because I already have a profile created, it won't drop me into the Create Profile screen, but as soon as you click on that link, it will take you into MindTap to the Create Your Profile screen for Diet and Wellness Plus. Whenever you want to access Diet and Wellness Plus, if the link doesn't drop you directly into it, be sure to click on the green apple with the plus sign. So here I will just basically show you what a profile, here we go, take me just a second, sorry. Go ahead and get into Diet and Wellness Plus. And you will see that I already have a profile, but I could go ahead and create new. And here you will include your personal information. And I do recommend that you use the long activity questionnaire when accounting for your calorie expenditures. So please do utilize the long activity questionnaire, then select submit, and you will have your profile created. The next page in the module for this week will take you to the tracking your diet aspect of Diet and Wellness Plus. Again, when I click on that link, it should drop me right into MindTap, Diet and Wellness Plus, to track the diet. Be sure to select the date and select a new date for each day that you track. And then the first step is to go ahead and search. Let's say that I consumed eggs for breakfast. If I just type in eggs, many options with eggs in the title will come up. Here I could say scrambled with milk and butter, select that food item, then basically for your portion size, standard portion size will come up. Here we see 2 eggs, and it defaults to breakfast. Let's say I actually had that for lunch. I would go ahead and change the meal or snack there. And I would say add item, and here on my first day you will see that first item show up. If you want to delete the item, just go to the trash can, or if you want to see the nutrient information for that item, for that food item or beverage item, click on the little eye icon and you will see that information listed. You're going to go ahead and log all 3 days, and once you've done that, the next step in this week's module is to create the 3-day average report. So you will go back into MindTap and select from the Reports tab, as I've shown you here on this screenshot. You will select the 3-day average report, create the 3-day average, save it as a PDF, and attach it to your submission, your assignment submission. Again, you will continue to go back into Diet and Wellness Plus on specific weeks when I've assigned diet analysis assignments, and you will create reports using the Reports tab and utilize the information on those reports to answer questions for the assignments. Please don't hesitate to reach out via email or a phone call or stop in my office if you have questions on completing these assignments. Have a great week.